If you're 65 or older, OBA just created a brand new tax deduction up to $6,000, and it could save you thousands of dollars in taxes. Under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, seniors get an extra tax break that didn't exist before. Now, this is day 9 of me breaking down the One Big Beautiful Bill Act for the next 30 days. So let's look at what's changing. Before the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, seniors 65 and older were getting an extra deduction of about $1,600 for single filers. But that was it. Now, after the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, starting in 2025 through 2028, if you're 65 or older, you can claim an additional $6,000 deduction under Section 151D5C. That's nearly 4 times larger than before. So here's what you need to know. First things first is that income limits apply. You qualify if your modified adjusted gross income is $75,000 or less for single filers, or $150,000 or less if you're married filing jointly. Second is, if you earn above those thresholds, the deduction phases out at 6% for every dollar over that limit. So let me show you what that means. If you're single and you earn $80,000, that's $5,000 over the limit. You'd lose $300 of the deduction, which is 6% of $5,000, so you still get $5,700 instead of the full $6,000. Third is, let's do the math on the tax savings. If you're in the 22% tax bracket, a $6,000 deduction saves you about $1,320 in taxes. And then fourth is that this stacks with your standard deduction. So seniors get the higher deduction we covered earlier, plus this additional $6,000. So for 2025, a single senior 65 plus would get a standard deduction of $15,750, senior enhancements of $6,000, which is a total of $21,750 of tax-free income. And then 6 is that this is an above the line deduction, meaning it reduces your adjusted gross income that can help you actually qualify for other benefits like lower Medicare premiums. And then number 7 is, according to the documents, this provides tax relief for seniors with the goal of helping middle and low income seniors. So for retirees on fixed incomes, Social Security, pensions, retirement account withdrawals, this can mean keeping an extra $1,000 to $1,300 per year that would have gone to taxes. So that's your day 9 update on the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, a brand new benefit specifically designed for America's seniors. Tomorrow, we're going to be covering something huge for entrepreneurs, which is making the 20% small business deduction permanent. So make sure you follow the series.